If you want to change refresh rate on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings, you're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to proceed to display. In here in display settings, we should be able to find the display refresh rate option where we have three options: dynamic, high, and standard. Standard option allows you to use up to 60 Hz, and this of course allows you to save the battery life that is, or increase the battery life. The high option allows you to use up to 120 Hz, and then dynamic option allows you to dynamically switch refresh rate according to content to optimize battery life. Most of the time you are going to notice that you use the 120 Hz refresh rate. However, over here at the bottom we can read that also dynamic refresh rate switching technology enables the display refresh rate to dynamically switch to lower refresh rates to preserve battery life when viewing lower refresh rate content. So if you have something that is displayed in 60 Hz and the phone uses 120, then the phone can reduce it to 60, since there is really no need to use 120. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.